I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a massive haul video. Basically, what you guys saw in the thumbnail was my basket of new makeup. And we have some products from the Dollar Tree, from Beauty Creations. We have so many products in this bin. It's crazy. Originally, I was just going to use this makeup in a like get ready with me using new makeup video, whatever it may be. I just kind of want to show you guys, and let's just talk makeup on all the new products that I purchased that I haven't really acknowledged in a video. Some of these I've used on my reels and Instagram and all that, so you guys have seen these in action. Others I'm not really gonna use on camera with you guys. They're just like skincare kind of products from the Dollar Tree, and just a couple of fun finds from Shop Miss A and all that. So I don't know what else is in this bin, but we're gonna go through it. If you want to do just like a nice chit chat little haul video with me, just let's talk about the products that I've taught that what let's talk about the products that I purchased, so I can kind of remind myself to use them in a video, girl, because I need that sometimes. I forget. Let's just do it. Let's get into it. So this product is actually one that I mentioned in a video yesterday, but I just kind of want to remind you guys, I will be doing a video using this Moon palette. This one's actually from the Hot Topic. I picked up a couple of other like Barbie kind of products. They're really cute. If you missed out in that video, I'm going to have it linked down below. It was really nice. It was really nice and short, sweet, and to the point. So this is the Moon palette. It comes with a lot of beautiful, deep, dark kind of tones. We have blues, we have purples, we have neutral shimmers, pops of color. It's just such a beautiful palette. So I just kind of wanted to mention this since it is in the bin. This is a $16.90 at Hot Topic. Let's get into the Beauty Creations products. So I did go ahead and buy the set of the why does that sound weird? GRWM collection. So literally they came out with so many products, but this little set came with little keychain that's just so adorable. I cannot go without this keychain, girl. She looks stunning. Am I holding it correctly? There we go. She looks so beautiful, and she did go with a more like Bratz theme for this collection, which I love the fact that she did that, and she looks just so cute. My dream in life is to have a collection with Beauty Creations and do something similar, like just, or not even just with Beauty Creations, with whoever. And it's just, she looks fabulous, and I can't wait for the day that I get that opportunity. If it comes, you know, you have to think positive when it happens. But yeah, she did such a amazing job. Love the fact that they included this little keychain. So again, I did do a video using all of these GRWM products on my Instagram, just doing a little get ready with me situation. It's also here on YouTube under my reels. So this is a GRWM times Beauty Creations unique setting spray, and I've yet to use these products in a video, but I cannot wait. Love that she went with a pink theme, and I love that's like a dark kind of almost purple pink. And I did use this setting spray in my video as well. From what I remember, it smelled amazing, girl. It smelled so good, very much childhood vibes, and it's just really nice. Love the packaging. Again, I'm just going to keep it in the box because I have to film that video using all the products together. You know what, let me spray it so I can kind of remind myself. Yes, it just smells like perfume, like maybe a perfume that my mom used to wear. Very much that vibe. So if you're not into scented products, I don't know if you're gonna enjoy this, but girl, this smells so good. Love me some good smelling products, girl. So next we have a lip set. So this is GRWM Beauty Creations Bad Bee Lip Duo. So it comes with a lip liner and a gloss. So cute. Look at how stunning she looks, girl. So beautiful. I'm gonna have all these products in the description box, not linked, but this will have the names and the prices. Let's go ahead and get into this. So this set is actually one that I did use in my video, but I ended up wiping the lip off just because this wasn't my vibe, and I was kind of sad about it. But I'm very much into like a dark brown, chocolate brown lip like I have today, and a light center, and the lip liner just wasn't giving to me. And then also the lip gloss was a little on the like orange side. So we do have a lip gloss and a lip liner in this set. I'm not gonna swatch them. I know some people may be mad about it, girl. It is what it is. I am gonna include these in a video, so I don't want to swatch them now, but yeah, I'm just saying lip liner, I don't know, watch that video. I'm gonna have it linked down below. The lip combination wasn't it for me, so that's why I was kind of like, man, kind of wish I would have skipped out on this product, but it's still cute and I got to support her. So yeah, so this set also came with a couple of glitters. So this is a Secret Fantasy glitter set, girl. They did amazing with the photo shoot of this campaign, and also love the fact that she went with that Bratz kind of font with her name. This is so cute. Again, this is their Secret Fantasy glitter set. So I don't think I've gotten into this at all. So let's go ahead and see what this is about. Ooh, okay, there's a close-up look at that. So it looks like we have a hold on glitter glue, which looks like that. It's probably just the original glitter glue, which I do own, just in that specific packaging. And then we do get a total of 3 glitters, which I'm not gonna remove from here, but like we get this pinky one, we get a white one, and this like purple one. Looks beautiful. Cannot wait to use these. These seem to be very like chunky kind of glitters, so be careful if you buy these. Don't put them in your eyes, girl. Very dangerous, but you know, for on the body or whatever, I think these are going to be stunning. I also haven't gotten a chance to use these. So this is called their lip trio. It's called My Faves Lip Trio. Look, again, that packaging, girl, they did such an amazing job. This is their lip balms. Oh, they're lip tints. So there's a look at that product. So it does come with a Cheeky's lip tint. Then we have the Fresita lip tint. So 2 different lip tints. I'm going to have pictures on the screen of the colors. And then we also have their, I believe this is just a gloss that's included in here. But lip tints, as you guys know, are very much in style at the moment. So yeah, we do get 3 of those. However, I haven't gotten a chance to use these. We will be swatching these, testing these in my video. And stick around if you're not subscribed yet, girl. These videos are coming soon, so yeah, cannot wait to try out these. Lastly, for the collection, we have an eyeshadow palette. Again, they did amazing with this photo shoot. She looks stunning. Whoever came up with the concept, girl, it's just beautiful. Love the pink. It's so beautiful, so girly. So this is their Yeri's palette, and it does come with face products in here as well as eyeshadows. So you remove the sleeve, and there's a look at the palette. So it opens up very much like Nikki Tutorial vibes. I don't know who she collabed with, Beauty Bay, I think. And you just kind of open the little doors. So there's a look at that. So it comes with eyeshadow colors in the center and then some face products on the sides. So originally when I looked at the palette, I thought this one of the shades was going to be a bronzer. I think it was this one here, the shade, but they're both blushes. So it comes with 2 highlights, 2 blushes, and the eyeshadow colors in the center. I think they did such a good job with this palette. It is so beautiful, and you get some lip imprints in there as well. So again, I did do a look using this palette, so I'm going to have that reel linked down below if you haven't watched it. So cute. Very much enjoy the formula so far. We're going to see how it works and what kind of look I create in my next video using these products all together. So yeah, that's it for the I don't know if I'm saying that right, Yerimua collection with Beauty Creations. Also did order a tumbler with this collection, and it came broken, and customer service was a little iffy. I feel like they kind of don't want to send me my money or like send me another one, which is a little sad. So I don't know what I'm feeling about Beauty Creations right now. So the customer service is definitely a huge deal, and it definitely sways your opinion on buying from the brand again, going onto their site again, wanting to support them. So I think that's, you know, very important for other brands to see. Let's just get into my Dollar Tree haul. So we do have some new setting sprays that I ran across at my Dollar Tree. Went ahead and picked up 2 different scents. These are called their Face Mist Refreshers. So I have a feeling these are just revamped versions of the little skinny travel size ones, and they just went ahead and made them look a little different. Just a revamp, a cute little moment. We do have the cucumber and the coconut. They also did have a couple other scents as well. So I'm not going to open these because again, I'm going to try them out in a video. But yeah, so they had these at my Dollar Tree. I also went ahead and picked up the B Color hair mascara, and this one here is in the shade green. I just thought this would be a fun little moment. I don't know, maybe you could use it for a video, or if I'm ever in need of a hair mascara. I don't know, we're gonna see if it works. I finally came across this collection here. So this is called their B Color Strawberry Scented Blush, which is so beautiful. It's gone viral on Instagram, I'm sure on TikTok as well. We also have their Strawberry Scented Lip Gloss, which I didn't even know they had. And I also saw the Strawberry Scented Highlighter slash Blush. So I will be using all these products in an upcoming video, so we're gonna see how these work. But I'm so excited about these products. Look at how beautiful this is. Maybe you could do like a nice little strawberry red kind of look using these products for the summer. I also have this Beauty Intuition product. I forgot to mention that just yesterday I filmed a full face of Dollar Tree. It was also like a try on haul kind of situation, so I did use a couple of my new products in that video, so they're not going to be included here today. But I did also include some Beauty Intuition products in that video. So we do have the Beauty Intuition silicone head. I did go ahead and buy a lip gloss that had the same silicone kind of top to it. So the nail polish comes with the same one. So this is their strawberry scented nail polish. Well, actually, I don't know if it's scented, but it's strawberry matte nail polish. Looks really cute. Can't wait to try this out. I also have another lip balm. This is the LA Colors scented lip balm in Cutie, and this is their cherry one. I don't know if you guys saw my other video where I used a pink one. I think I included it in my full face of Dollar Tree if I'm not mistaken. If not, I included it in another like get ready with me using new makeup video. From the Dollar Tree, we have the Beauty Collection mini finger makeup sponges. These are latex free and it comes with 4 little finger sponge situation, so they looked really intriguing. I was like, why not, let me just go ahead and pick this up. I bought this little brush bag. So this is, it says wake up and makeup, and it just looks stunning. Look at how cute that is. So this is from Sassy and Chic, and this is their brush holder. So we'll be going on a trip soon, sometime next month. So I'm super excited about that. So this is what I'll be using to store my brushes. So I might bring you guys along with me, not sure. I'll see, but this is so cute. If not, I'll film myself packing for that trip. So we have so many Bolero products. So all of them are from this little set of their skincare kind of products. This is their Renew Facial Cleanser in the Mimosa Flower and Coconut scent. Love trying out new cleansers. We also have their Renew Facial Moisturizer, also in that same scent, the Mimosa Flower and Coconut. So again, this is a moisturizer. We have the cleanser, very much skincare vibes. Literally bought everything from this line. So then we have the Gentle Face Exfoliator in that same scent. So as you can see, make sure you know what you're buying. The actual names are in white. That's how you tell them apart. And lastly, from the Mimosa Flower and Coconut scented stuff, we have their Renew Facial Mist. So literally everything from this line looks so intriguing. Cannot wait to smell it. I kind of want to smell the cleanser. All right, I removed the plastic. Let's see how this smells. This smells so good. You can definitely get most of that coconut smell. Pineapple is in there. It smells amazing. Next, from the Dollar Tree, I also have some eyelashes. We have the Ardell Professional Aqua Lashes. So I'm sure these were popular like a couple of years ago, 1 or 2. I remember people were like doing videos on these and testing them out because the fact that they are water activated. So instead of using eyelash glue, you use water to throw these on. I'm a little skeptical and a little scared to try these, but we'll see if I can use these on camera with you guys using some new Dollar Tree makeup. But these are also $125 at the Dollar Tree in the style 344. So we're gonna see how these work. So I also have some other stuff in here that I haven't used on camera. We have the LA Colors Nude Glam lip glosses, which ended up being liquid lipsticks. They've been there. They're just kind of there. I need to use them in a video, but I did mention them to you guys in a different haul. We also still have this Lip Smackers lip balm in here. I haven't used this green one in Watermelon, but the other one that I use is so good. Oh, we also have this. I think this was from the Family Dollar. LA Colors Lip Kit. So why did I pull my hair? This one here is in Watermelon. So it comes with a lip liner and a lip gloss. So I can't wait to use this in a cute pink girly get ready with me. Yes, I completely forgot. I purchased 3 palettes. So these are all from C Color. And I got all 3 variations. I'm going to share them with you guys so you guys can pick them up for yourself if you want. So let me start off with number 1, which is this one here. There's a look at that from C Color. You guys know I love their brand. So I was so excited to see these little palettes at the Dollar Tree. So this one here is an Obsessed 1. Comes with a mirror. And those are the shades in this palette. Look at how beautiful that is. Quality of the palette is really nice. Nice magnetic closure to it. So cute. Next we have the one in number 2. In the back it just says Obsessed. I think they all say Obsessed on the back. But this is again number 2, has a number right in the front, has it on the back. Really cute. I don't know if the actual like cover is the same as the inside. I don't know, it looks a little deep there, but these colors are actually very nice and bright. I definitely could have used this today for this look with this top. It's just so cute. And lastly, we have the one in number 3, which as you can see is more smoky tones. But again, don't go based on the cover because it is very different from the actual like color story on the inside. You see how these are way more like pinky, and then on the cover they just look a little more like deep and dark. But this one here is in number 3. So again, we will be using these in a video. I'm not going to swatch anything today, but just want to show you guys what they have available. So in my full face of Dollar Tree that I filmed yesterday, I used the nude version of these little palettes. These are part of their nude glam collection, and this is their eyeshadow palette in Smooth Jazz. It has like more gray kind of tones to it. Can't wait to use this. Another Dollar Tree find that I haven't mentioned is the City Color Be Baddie mascara. So you guys know how I feel about City Color. I mentioned them so many times on my channel. I've done full faces, literally by most of their releases. Actually, I have a lot of their products, and this is actually a product that I purchased full price on their website. I finished it up. I love it. I raved about it. So it was really nice to see it at the Dollar Tree for so inexpensive, literally $125 for mascara, and they had so many available as well. I love the packaging. I haven't opened it because I need to do a declutter of my collection. If you guys saw my makeup inventory, you know why. But yeah, cannot wait to get into that. We still have these graphic, what are these called? These Rimmel Lip Art graphic liquid lipsticks. I literally bought these because I thought they were eyeliners, so I was like, ooh, a cute little moment. I can use this as a pop of color on the eyes, but they turned out to be liquid lipsticks. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this blue one, but we also have this nice vampy one. Basically just a liquid lipstick with a really thin applicator, so you can line your lips as well. So very nice, very innovative. However, I thought they were liquid liners. Oh, I have another one. I purchased this red one as well. We also have a couple products from, I think this one was also from the Dollar Tree, the Smackers lip gloss. Forgot to mention that, haven't used it. We also have this one from the 99-cent store here, the hydrating liquid lip balm. It says natural lip glow. So I haven't found anything new from the 99-cent store in a while, so I might just do another full face using some of their older products. I don't know. I don't know if you guys would be interested in that, but Pearl World, they have added quite a few things, but I need to go back to the 99. Maybe they added more stuff, but I don't know. Every time I go, they have the same old stuff. This one here is from the Shop Miss website. Haven't gotten a chance to use it. LA Colors Liquid Makeup Foundation, and I think this one here is in the shade Natural. They also have those at the Dollar Tree. We have the AOA Studio highlighter, which I haven't used on camera. I was going to use it today, but I ended up using a different one. But this is their Everglow highlight in a different shade. This one here is in Morning Star. I also did buy a one size lip liner, which I do have on the lips today, but I also, along with that, I purchased this liquid lipstick situation. I heard so many great things about these liquid lipstick / lip glosses that I just needed to buy one. So I went ahead and bought the brownie one. I haven't gotten a chance to use the gloss with it, but the actual formula of the liquid lipstick is really nice. So this one here is in Lip Snatcher Night Walker. I also bought 2 backups of my Chic Glam Brows on Demand 2-in-1 brow pencil in chocolate. So this is just an extra one. We're down to the wire. We are getting to the Frida Kahlo collection stuff. Literally haven't touched it. I'm kind of scared of this blush. What is this called? This is their Self-Portrait Cream Blush in Flower Crown. Again, part of the Frida Kahlo collection. I did a little haul on my TikTok and Instagram, and I haven't used this on camera, girl. Some other products are in my Shop My Stash for Chic Glam this month, but I haven't done a look with this. So this is a cream blush, haven't touched it. And then we have the eyeshadow palette, which is a Frida Kahlo palette. I did do a Chic Glam haul video showing you guys all these products. So yeah, again, there is the Frida Kahlo palette. I haven't yet to use it. I definitely need to get to that. I'm gonna do a full face of Chic Glam using these products, and this is called their Frida Kahlo Chic Glam Masterpiece Eyeshadow Palette. I did go ahead and just scratch the little portrait so I can see what colors we have in here, so I can get inspired. So they're very much like neutral kind of vibes. So yeah, I'll have to use this soon. So that is it. That was everything in my new makeup bin. So I definitely need to get to using all these products. They've just been sitting there. Some of them actually moved to my collection because in my mind I'm like, if it's in my collection, I'll use it more. Yes, thinking ahead. However, I forget that they're new and I don't touch them. So we need to use all these products up. Let me know what you're excited to see on my channel from this little haul situation, and I cannot wait to film everything for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.